how to withdraw money from Hamster Kombat. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how to withdraw money from Hamster Kombat. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. In Hamster Kombat, if you want to withdraw, tap on airdrop at the bottom right corner. Click on withdrawal tab, then click on connect your Ton wallet. You will see various wallets you can use. We have Tomkeeper, MyTon wallet, TonHub, Dark wallet, and BitKitWave. Personally, I like to use Tomkeeper and I'll show you how to install the app in just a second. If you prefer, you can use the Telegram wallet or some of the other apps. If you use Open Wallet in Telegram, it will open the wallet in your Telegram. However, if you are using one of the apps, you will need to install it. Now, let's get a wallet. Open your Play Store and search for Tomkeeper. This is the app I'll be using, so I'll download it. After that, create new wallet. Now, I am in my wallet. If you created a new wallet, you would need to add some personal information. Now we need to link this with Hamster Kombat. Go to the airdrop section and click on connect your Ton wallet again. Click on Ton Keeper and then on the app icon and finally on connect wallet. Enter your password and it will successfully connect to Hamster Kombat. So that's how to withdraw money from Hamster Kombat. That's all for this video.